We're getting ready to send our calendar, so don't forget.
Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Northwest Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful home here to show you. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about it. It has 3 bedrooms at den, 2 baths, and a beautiful pool on the back. Okay, and also, as you can see, it's in a beautiful corner lot. You have a double car garage. It has 1,785 square feet under air. It's a really nice size home. Okay, now let's go ahead inside and take a look at it. As you come in, you have this beautiful walkway here that leads to the porch. Check out this porch here. This is a nice one. You could come out in the morning and have your coffee out here. Did I tell you that it's 55 degrees today? It's cold here. Okay, now let's go ahead. Let me show you here. You have a shutter here, rolling shutter that covers the entrance door. Now let's go ahead inside, take a look. Okay, as you come in, you're welcome with the living room area. Check out how spacious it is. Back there you have the kitchen. It's also very spacious. Through the sliders you have the pool. We'll get to that later. You don't want to miss that. It's really nice out there. And over here to the left you have the master bedroom. And we'll start first with the right side of the home so I could show you the 2 bedrooms. Okay, let's come over here. Let's call this bedroom number 1. Let me walk around so you visualize the size. You have your closet here, and over here, that's your Jack and Jill bathroom, okay? So this room here, if you open the door here, you go into the bathroom here. This is a very unique floor plan and very convenient. Okay, so now this door here leads to the den. You come through here, and that door there leads to the Jack and Jill bathroom. So if you want to have your office, you have different places for people to come in and out. So let's go walking over here. Here's the kitchen. And over here, this is your den again. As I told you before, you have a couple entrances to the den, and it's very spacious, as you can see. And like I said before, this door leads to the Jack and Jill bathroom. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at bedroom number 2. Okay. Check out bedroom number 2. Let me move around so you can visualize the size. Very tasteful, decorated, nice colors. And remember, this home comes with the furniture. So maybe some items sometimes they're personal, or they're not, you know, they kind of take them, but most of the stuff that is inside, you can see, most of the stuff stays. Okay, so this is the bathroom, Jack and Jill, from this side. So in a way, it's 2 bathrooms, but it really works as 3 bathrooms if somebody's not using it, because you have an access from the den and you have an access from the other bedroom. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the kitchen. Over here is your dining room with the view toward the pool. We'll get to that later, but first let's go ahead and take a closer look at the kitchen. You got your stainless steel appliances. And one thing that everybody loves is to have a nice big pantry. So this house has one. And on top of that, you got all that extra cabinet. So, and over here you have your dishwasher, and over here you got your double sink. Okay. One nice thing about this sink here is that you're in the middle of the home, and if you're entertaining guests, you could be talking to them in the dining room here, or you could be talking to them in the living room over there. So very convenient. And at the same time, if you're looking over here to your left, you could be looking at the pool area in case you have kids. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the laundry room. You have your washer and dryer here. And then on the way over here, you have your double car garage. Okay, you got your electrical panel over there, your garage door over here, and your AC system over here. Okay, now let's go over to the master bedroom. Check it out. Beautiful, huh? As you can see, also the home is tiled all throughout, and he has this big, large tiles here that makes everything look more spacious. And check out this room. Check out how bright it is. Check out the lights. And over here is their master bathroom. Check out the nice walk-in shower. You got a huge tub with your really nice vanity with double sink. And over here you got your toilet. And behind here you have your towel closet. Very nice bathroom. I really like how they decorated this. This is not original from the house. You can see that they actually have improved a lot this home. And over here, that's where you have your closet. Okay, you have a double blind door closet here for him and for her. So let me stand over here so you can visualize again the size of this room. Very nice, comfortable sized room. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the pool. I told you it was gonna be nice out there, especially today with the temperature like 55 degrees. Beautiful day today. You can see the sun, everything's beautiful. Okay, let's go outside and check out this area here. If you're moving to Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, this is the lifestyle. Okay. Remember, if you would like to know more information about this property, feel free to scan the barcode on your screen or go in the description below and hit on the link. That will give you the full report and also the price. Okay, so that way you could get an updated price, and you could also see there any price reduction that the home might have had. So, but check out this beautiful area out here. And you still have a nice yard, even though you have a pool. So if you go out here, you still have all this area here for yard. That's where your pool equipment is. And you got all this area here. And you have beautiful brand new home right behind it. They're built right now. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, if you have any questions on this property or any property you're looking out there, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers for over 25 years, I can say today, because 2025 will be 25 years. So hope that you guys enjoy this beautiful tour. Feel free to click here to see more videos, and I'll see you on the next one.